We're here again.
Yes, we're here again. Thank you guys for sharing and commenting and also subscribing to our channel. We appreciate it to the max, and keep up the support.
Yes, guys, do the right thing. Road to 1,000K. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So in the previous video, we ended it with a Jamaican quote. So we're going to give the translation for it. So it is: every day, devil help thief. One day, God will help watchman. Translation: every day the devil helps the thief. One day, God will help the watchman. So the explanation for it is: God never sleeps and is fully aware of everything that occurs. He will one day reward the efforts of the faithful. So, yeah.
Yep. So the quote for today is: good food is the foundation of genuine happiness, you know? And that quote is very good because guess what? You know, sometimes you eat some food, you purchase food or buy food, and you tell the food not tastes good, and it mash up your whole entire day. After days you're talking about the one same food. So imagine me buy the food and the food not nice, and you know, you just mash up your whole day. After days you talk about it, and everybody say, no, me not buy this again because guess what, me buy food and it mash up my day. So guess what? That is so true. So genuine, you know, foundation, food, genuine happiness. Right.
That is true, because once you get good food, you automatically go dance, you go talk about it, you go sing about it, you go tweet about it, you go take picture about it, everything. So good food brings genuine happiness, and good food brings good mood.
Yeah, good. Good food brings good mood.
True.
I like it. Yeah. Today I'm going to prepare my famous baked chicken.
Food.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be around the camera today, guys. So it's all about Michelle. So take it away.
So I never show you when we last season the chicken. You understand? But here it is.
So Michelle, what do you have in this now?
I have some garlic, some pimento, some Chinese sauce, and I have also some cayenne pepper and some all-purpose seasoning or some chicken seasoning. But you know, and some salt. But you can season it to your liking and your taste, right? So we have our baking pan right here. You know, I'm going to use this baking pan, but if you don't have this baking pan, you can also use the disposable one. So I'm going to use this. So I'm going to get some cooking oil, and I'm going to put a little bit in my pan just to baste the bottom of the pan. You know, and
I know, so she wash her hand and everything already, guys.
So I'm going to use my hand now and, you know, grease the bottom of the pan. You know, grease the bottom. And now I'm going to insert my chicken in the pan. So, you know, give it a little space. I know the season depending on how much chicken you're looking about. This is a big chicken, so guess what? It's a big chicken, so get a little space in your line. So in the pan like this. Guys, please remember, I'm gonna wash my hand when I'm finished. Can you know, say cleanliness is next to godliness. Yeah. So, kind of already light the oven. So you know, you preheat the oven first. You know, maybe not long, maybe just a couple seconds. Preheat the oven, and now we're going to put the chicken inside the oven for 1 hour. 1 hour and 30 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken. And you know, so you can go and test the chicken and even know, right? So we're going to put it in there first for 30 minutes, and then we're going to put the sauce on it and then put it back in the oven. Now I'll be adding some tomato ketchup I'm going to eyeball it right now, but the full ingredients will be in the description. Now we're gonna add some vinegar, maybe a tablespoon of vinegar, some pimento, a teaspoon of pimento, and we cannot forget the soy sauce. This gives the chicken its color. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yes, we don't want it too sweet. Some people would normally put this on the fire, but it's not necessary to do so because it's going to be cooked in the oven. Now we're going to put in the good things then. I'm going to grate a 5 cloves of garlic because I like garlic. You can put in more or less if you want, but I like the taste of garlic. So don't forget the ginger. The ginger aids in digestion, and I like the flavor that the ginger gives, so we're gonna turn up the heat with some ginger. Well, now we're gonna put in our bell pepper. I like the flavor that the sweet pepper gives, so I'm gonna add it. I like to grate it. If you can blend it if you want, but I like or cut it finely. But I like to grate. I like to see the chunks of seasoning on my baked chicken. Now it's time to add the bass. The scotch bonnet pepper. You know me love pepper, and so me have to put in my pepper in it. So come scotchy, come. Last but not least, the good old thyme, you know. I like to take off the leaf of my thyme and put it in my sauce. Now we're gonna stir the sauce away. Wow, look at this, it looks so beautiful. Wow. And guys, if you're not already subscribed, please to make sure you like, comment, and also subscribe. You know, I added some more ketchup in it because I realized that I was looking about a big chicken. I decided to put a little water inside it, not much, just a little bit. "30 minutes has passed, and now I'm going to take out the chicken out of the oven and put the sauce on it.
Okay, look guys, and the sauce not reach on it yet.
You know, I don't have the fancy equipment like the brush, so I'm just going to use a fork to take the chicken and dip it into the sauce. So guys, after you take out the chicken out of the oven, and you realize that it has liquid inside of it, you can throw out majority of that broth because you know you're gonna add back sauce in it, so that's liquid, so you don't want too much liquid inside, so you can just throw some and then add your sauce. So here it is, guys. Wow,
Good already.
Back this inside the oven for 50 minutes because this is a big chicken and it's not small, you know. We're gonna add it back for 50 minutes.
Yeah.
So we'll show you the finished product.
Alright.
This is the finished product, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and comment below and tell me if you try this recipe, and remember, good food brings good mood. Thank you for watching our video, and hope you remember to turn on your post notification to notify you when there's another video.
Guys, I'm gonna leave on with one phrase. It's after that, no one can do what we do, so just do
The
right
thing. Do the right thing with every day.